You may not become the best Basque speaker, but you will want to get the most out of learning the superlative form. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Basic. Unlike the comparative suffix ago, the superlative suffix en is attached to adjectives, adverbs, and verbs to express the most of a characteristic of a group that they belong to. Basically, they are equal to st or est, like in nicest, bluest, fastest, reddest, highest. In Basque, these are atseginen, urdinen, lasteren, gorrien, and goren. Sometimes English says something is the most, like most interesting, most beautiful, most thoughtful. Here the superlative suffix is also used. In Basque, these are interesgarrien, ederen, gogoetatuen. You might have noticed that after an a suffix, the en suffix replaces the a altogether. And the final r of a word is doubled. Adverbs generally come before the verb, including superlative adverbs. These can have the definite article suffix attached to them, but it's not necessary. Peyok lasterena korika egitendu. Peyo runs the fastest. Mikelek motelen itse egitendu. Mikel speaks the slowest. Superlative adjectives generally come after the noun. The noun itself is generally found in the partitive case with ik or rik suffix attached. Very often being the last item in the noun phrase, the superlative will often be found with the article. This can help you determine if the phrase is singular or plural. Gisonik atseginena, the nicest man. Dorerik urdinena, the bluest flower. Kocherik lasterena, the fastest car. Libururik goriena, the reddest book. Odeirik gorena, the highest cloud. Katurik interesgarienak, the most interesting cats. Kocherik motelenak, the slowest cars. Castelurik ederenak, the most beautiful castles. Isonik gogoetatsuenak, the most thoughtful men. The partitive case isn't strictly necessary, but it is the most common way to express a noun that's followed by the superlative. You can say phrases like the nicest of or the fastest among. Here you can use the noun in the plural inessive case or in the genitive case followed by artean. Gisonetan atseginena, the nicest of men. Gisonen artean atseginena, the nicest among men. Loretan urdinena, the bluest of flowers. Loreren artean urdinena, the bluest among flowers. Kochetan lasterena, the fastest of cars. Kocheren artean lasterena, the fastest among cars. You can even make the superlative a single noun with the help of the definite article suffixes. Atseginena, the nicest one. Atseginenak, the nicest ones. Urdinena, the bluest one. Urdinenak, the bluest ones. Lasterena, the fastest one. Lasterenak, the fastest ones. Ode ori gorenada, that cloud is the highest one. Liburuau gorienada, this book is the reddest one. Interesgariena laukat, I have the most interesting one. Remember to change them to the ergative case when called for. Motelenak leni korike egitendu, the slowest one runs first. Elerenak geyen valiolu, the most beautiful one costs the most. Gogoetatsuenek lo egitendute, the most thoughtful ones sleep. Atseginenek itse egitendute, the nicest ones talk. Sometimes other case endings can be attached to en and vice versa, but we'll talk about those in a more in-depth video. Sometimes the superlatives are irregular and don't match their base form. Geyin, most, is the superlative of ashko, much or many. Chakur geyenak emendale, most dogs are here. There are several ways to express best. The superlative of on, good, can either be onen or overen. These are used as adjectives. Chakur ori onenala, That dog is the best. As for the adverb well, ondo can either turn into ondoen or obetoen, and ongi can turn into ongien or obekien. Guk ondoen koarike indugu. We ran the best. You can see the superlative used in certain phrases, which are often interchangeable. Alik lashterena, as quickly as possible, or the quickest possible. Alik etacheginena, as nice as possible, the nicest possible. Aldengena, as much as possible, the most possible. Albeit or einbeit onena, as good as possible, or the best possible. And that's the superlative for you. Thanks for watching. Agur!